Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to build a stasis chamber in Minecraft Bedrock Edition, since stasis chambers don't work the same as in Java Edition. It's really simple to build one in Java Edition. However, since Bedrock mechanics are different, you need a setup like this. So I'm going to show you how to build this. So basically you're going to need a hole like this that goes down 20 blocks. Like so, and then you're going to place soul sand at the bottom like this, and then you're going to basically just fill up every single block with water. I know it's really tedious, but the kelp thing doesn't work in Bedrock Edition. So I'm in creative mode, which is really easy. I'm just gonna go against the wall and do the same for the other side. What's really cool though is you can do this. Okay, now you're going to build this part around it. So you're gonna grab glass and you're going to build it 5 blocks tall. You're going to break 2 blocks in front of here so that you can make your door. Now you're going to place your honey blocks. You're basically going to place 3 honey blocks like so. And you're basically done. All you have to do is throw your ender pearl right in between this gap between the honey blocks. I'm just gonna throw a few in here just so you can see. And that slows the momentum down enough to have it to where it's like this. And then you're going to just build your door. So that you can get in like this. And then you're going to take your whatever solid block, or you can just walk in and you will body block your pearls. See? Like so. But if you want to stop the momentum of this. Okay, my headphones just disconnected randomly, whatever. You are going to just like so. And then yeah. If you want to, you can move this up a block like this, just so that you're not teleporting inside the block. Let me demonstrate again. So see how that's super slow and how it like kind of catches it? That's what you want for this kind of setup. And then you're just gonna fill both in with a block, and then you'll get teleported. You can also like set this up with pistons if you wanted to, with like, here, let me demonstrate. So say for example, you want to hook up placing the blocks with this lever right here. All you would have to do is place 2 pistons down, 2 sticky pistons, 2 blocks in front, hook the redstone up, and then as soon as you open the door, you'll get teleported, and then you can just mine out like this. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you build a stasis chamber in Minecraft Bedrock Edition.